Hello guys, today our topic, the most important topic, diazotization reaction for BSc and MSc students. This is the most important topic and all named reactions in our channel. So subscribe చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. So coming to the topic, diazotization reaction. So in this procedure, diazotization reaction is the reaction of converting an aromatic primary amines to diazotization salt by treating with nitrous acid, that means prepared by NaNO2 and HCl at low temperature 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. So this is the primary amine, that means aniline is reacted with NaNO2 plus HCl in presence of 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. That means what happened, benzene diazonium chloride is formed. So coming to the mechanism, you have to take this NaNO2 plus HCl mechanism. So what happened, NaNO2 plus HCl, what happened, NaCl and HNO2 is formed. So in this HNO2 is react with the proton. So HNO2 is, you have to write like this structure wise, oxygen and nitrogen double bond O and oxygen has lone pairs. This HNO2 is treated with H plus, that means proton. So now what happened, this lone pair is attracted to the proton. So oxygen has attracted to the proton, that means what happened, oxygen has already has hydrogen bond, and again this bond is attached to oxygen, that means you have to write like this and what happened, n double bond you have to write like this. So oxygen get positive charge, so oxygen got positive charge. Now you have to nullify this positive charge, that means you have to break this positive charge. What happens, you have to treat it with nitrous oxide NO. So this is the oxygen has nucleophile charge, and this nucleophile charge is reacted with nitrogen, and this bond is break to like this. So now what happened, H2O will be removed. That means this H2O minus H2O, what happens, you have to break, you have to nullify this positive charge and you have to break this, and that means H2O minus H2O will be removed. N double bond O, this ONO is bonded with this nitrogen. Now we have to write like this, already has N double bond O, now you have to write like this, and this ONO is reacted with this, that means this oxygen is bonded to nitrogen. Now we have to write like this oxygen, and again oxygen is bonded with N double bond O. Now we have to write like this N double bond O. So this is the nitrogen hydroxide. So now we have to break these bonds. So now we have to break this bond. Now we have to write like this, then formation is N double bond O, one form, and O N bond is one form. N double bond O is one formation, and this ONO is one formation. This is the breaking the bond. So this N plus O is reacted with aniline. So coming to the topic, another reaction, this aniline you have to write like this structure wise, NH2 as nitrogen has lone pair electrons. This aniline is reacted with this N plus O. Now this is reacted with N plus O. So what happens, this lone pair is reacted with this positive charge, then what happens, that means nitrogen is there, hydrogen is there, two hydrogens is there, this nitrogen is bonded with this nitrogen. Now we have to write like N double bond O. So next, what happened here, nitrogen got positive charge. So now you have to break the bond between nitrogen and hydrogen. Why? You have to nullify the bond positive charge. Nitrogen has positive charge, you have to break that bond and you have to nullify that positive charge. That means you have to break the bond between nitrogen and hydrogen. So what happens here? Again nitrogen and oxygen. That means hydrogen transfer. So hydrogen transfer. So what happened? Hydrogen transfer means nitrogen got estrogen and this hydrogen will be removed and nitrogen has positive charge and again n double bond single bond. That means yeah, double bond will be removed and single bond is formed. This hydrogen transfer is OH. What happened? Hydrogen transfer. This hydrogen is transferred to this OH. That means this double bond is migrated single bond and O is there, hydrogen transfer OH is formed. So a resonating structures is formed in this. Now we have to write like this also. That means nitrogen is there and double bond nitrogen plus OH. That means this nitrogen is like this. So this is the resonance structures of this. So this lone pairs is reacted with again this hydrogen and this bond break is between hydrogen and nitrogen. So again H plus transfer, proton transfer. These both are resonating structures, so that's why I took this. So again H plus transfer. Now what happened? Nitrogen already has the lone pair and this bond like this double bond N oxygen get hydrogen and again one hydrogen, that means positive charge. So what happened? Now we have to write like this, again hydrogen transfer. That means this hydrogen is transferred to this oxygen. That means oxygen get H and again H. So this bond is migrated like this, N double bond N. So this. So again removal of water molecule. That means this lone pair electrons is migrated like this and this nitrogen and oxygen got like this. So removal of water molecule, then formation is remaining. You have to write nitrogen got positive charge and triple bond N. Again this have resonating structures. Now you have to write like this also, N double bond N plus. Again this is resonating structure and this resonating structures is reacted with Cl minus. So what happens? Benzene N plus triple bond N Cl minus. This is the benzene diazonium chloride. So this is the benzene diazonium chloride. This also benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. This is the mechanism for diazotization reaction and mechanism. So this is the most important topic for BSc and MSc students. So all related topics ఛానల్లో ఉన్నాయి and subscribe చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తుంటాయి. Thank you guys.